Welcome to the channel. In today's video, we will show you how to disable autoplay for videos and GIFs in the Bluesky app. Autoplay can consume a lot of data and sometimes slow down your phone, so turning it off can improve your experience and save data. First, open the Bluesky app on your phone. Next, look at the top left and tap on the three dots icon. Then from this menu, select the option called Settings. In the Settings section, scroll down carefully until you find Content and Media. This section controls how media behaves while using the app. After that, look for the Autoplay Video and GIFs option. Here, you will see a toggle switch that is likely turned on by default. Simply tap the switch to turn it off. This will prevent videos and GIFs from playing automatically as you scroll through your feed. Finally, after turning off autoplay, you can go back to your feed and enjoy browsing without videos or GIFs playing automatically. This not only saves data, but also makes scrolling faster and less distracting. Don't forget to subscribe to the channel, like the video, and share it with friends. Thanks for watching.